In this video, I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you how to create a template, strip away everything you don't want from a document, and then add whatever you need so that you can get up and running quickly. And then I'm going to show you to save it in a way that is much more easier and intuitive whenever you want to recall it back. Right now, Adobe has a very funky way to recall your templates, the ones that you make. The way that you go to your own templates is by going to More Settings, then Templates. And it shows you this folder called Templates that's saved inside the Adobe Application folder. And you actually don't have much information about what is in that template. You have to kind of remember on your own. And yeah, it's not that easy and intuitive. I would love to see my templates be saved right here. Right now, if I click on here, I see this letter. I see all the information on it. I see everything about these templates. So why doesn't Adobe let me save templates right here? I don't know, but I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you how to do it with this workaround. So first, you start with your basic template, your preset. I'm going to start with print, letter, and I'm going to change this right here to inches. I'm going to create a business card. So 3.5 by 2. I'm going to have a little bit of a bleed right there. And that's about it. And then I'm going to click create. Now I have my business card template right here and ready for me. I'm going to go ahead. The first thing I'm going to do is strip everything down. I don't need any colors. I don't need any other thing because I just have my colors that I use all the time. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how easy that is. You go to Actions, you click on Delete Unused Panel Items, and then you just click Play. And that'll go ahead and strip a bunch of stuff on this document that we were not using, that we're not going to use. Sometimes it leaves a color group, the grays. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that color group, and I am done. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to add a default font to this so that I don't have to go ahead and choose my brand font every single time. So I'm going to click on character styles, and I'm going to click on normal, and I'm going to choose basic. Mine is Tiempos Text. That is our regular font that we use. And I'm going to click OK. I'm going to add a new one. And I'm going to call this heading. This is one that I use as for headings and as an alternative. It is the same tiempos, but it is headline and light. So I'm going to make that 24. I'm going to go to character color. I'm going to put black in there. And that's about it. You do have to remember that when you save a template, any window, any panel you have open is going to stay open. So go ahead and close that. If you want just your fills, I prefer them to be none. So I'm going to click on none. I'm going to go back and click on my pointer. And that's about it. So the regular way of saving this template would be to go here, save as template, and then it takes you to this folder called templates, where you would go in more settings and just try to find it there. Let's try what happens. Business card. And I'm going to go in there and save it. It actually gives me an error. Crazy, I know. So there are videos out there that show you how to fix this. I won't show you because I don't like where it saves it anyway. So I'm just not going to even deal with that. I'm going to show you something different. Let's go to save. And I'm going to go to a place where I save my templates. And I have a folder called Adobe Templates, Adobe Illustrator Templates. I'm going to save it in here. I'm going to go ahead and name this business card. I'm going to save it in this folder. And we're done. This is the first part. Now, this is the fun part that goes next. I'm going to go ahead and go to Go in my user library. And this is where you're going to store this file so that it comes up in a much better place. So click on Application Support. Adobe Illustrator 27 is our latest one, is the one that I have installed in this computer. and you're going to go to a folder called New Document Profiles. And guys, this works. We just put an alias of that document here, and it's going to show up in a better place. So I'm going to go ahead and do Adobe templates. This is the folder that I told you that I have for my templates. Here is my file, business card. On my keyboard, I'm going to hit Shift, Option, Command, and I'm going to drag this here, and it's going to create an alias. And the reason why I like the alias is because I can go ahead, open this document, change it however I want to, and not have to go back to this folder that's much more buried and a little bit more dangerous to kind of go back and forth all the time. So now when I go to Illustrator and I click on New Document and I go to my print, look at that. It is right here somewhere. There it is. Business card, readily available to me. I can actually click on it, see the settings, see that it has a bleed, see everything I need, and then create my new document with it. It's super easy, super intuitive. I'm not sure why Adobe doesn't create an easier way to do that, but it really is not that hard. Just go ahead, create your document, whatever you want to do that works as a template. Click on Go, hit Option on your keyboard, Library, Application Support, Adobe, your latest Illustrator folder, and then in there, New Document Profile.